Hi, everybody. Welcome back to distance learning. This is week 4, and the assignment for today is for May 4th and May 5th, Monday and Tuesday. Hopefully distance learning is treating you fairly well, and if not, hopefully today will help. So in social studies, today is kind of going to be known as catch-up day. You will notice in your Google Classroom, I'm actually in first periods, but yours will look similar. We have had 6 assignments so far, and today we want you to get caught up on the 6 assignments that are there. If you are caught up, you are just going to be filling out this form for me that is also attached. If you are not caught up, you will be filling out the form attached and then completing any work that you have not done yet. So if you see this form that is attached, I just need you to answer the 2 questions on it. I'm asking how remote learning is going and then what you need to catch up on. I'd like you to list the assignments there for number 2. If you are all caught up, you can put none for number 2. You're going to click this sheet to turn in and then you are done for the day. If you are not caught up on everything, then you need to still submit this form and then complete the work that you have not done yet. It is really, really, really important that you are turning the work in. That is going to determine pass or fail for the end of the year. We obviously want all of you passing, so please turn in the work in order to be able to determine that. If you have not turned in anything yet, you need to get all of that work turned in, and your parents are going to be contacted. If you are missing 1 or 2 things here or there, just please make sure you get those things turned in. Lastly, it's really important that you're actually completing the work. So I've had just a few people clicking turn in and not completing any of the work. Just so you know, all of us teachers are clicking through and still grading things. So if we know how you are doing and giving you some feedback. If you are just clicking in, turn in and not completing the work, that is not considered passing. So please make sure you're doing it. Hopefully you'll see that most of the assignments that we are giving you are very quick assignments. Nothing should feel too overwhelming. Again, today is makeup day, so please go ahead and fill out that sheet and get it turned in for attendance, and then make up anything that you need to. Once you make those things up, I will go back in and enter those things into the gradebook, and you should see a check mark for everything that you have turned in, and that's how you can verify. Again, if you have any questions, you can log into Google Meet or email me throughout the day, and I will get back to you. All right? Take care, and we'll see you again later this week.